The supplement of the measurement of an angle is 16 degrees less than 3 times the angle. Find the measurement of the angle and its supplement. Supplement means they add to 180. We have two angles. One is an unknown, and the other one is 16 less, which means that we need to remove 16, then 3 times the other. So we take x and we multiply it by 3 for that 3 times, and then we remove 16 for that 16 less. But the total is 180. So we have 3x minus 16 plus x should equal 180 degrees. We can combine like terms. I have an x piece here and an x piece here. 3 plus 1 more gives us 4 x pieces. Then I want to move some things to the other side. To get rid of that 16, it's already a negative, so to undo that I have to change it to addition. Because a negative 16 and a positive 16 make 0. If I add over here, I get 6, 9, and 1. So 4 x's is equal to 196. To solve for x, I have to split both of these pieces in 4 equal parts. 196 divided by 4 is 49. Which means up here, x is equal to 49. But on this side, I need to multiply it by 3 and then subtract 16. So 49 times 3 minus 16. Well, it's almost 50, and 50 times 3 would be 150, but we're 3 shy, so we'll be at 147. Then I subtract 16 from that, and I get 131. To check our work, we can say, well, is 131 plus 49 really equal to 180? Because that's what we're looking for. 1 plus 9 gives us a 0. 3 plus 4 plus that extra piece would give us an 8. So yes, this does work.